What's going on YouTube? As you guys can see, we got a pretty heavy package for the truck. It's actually 94 pounds, but it's the Scat rotating assembly for the engine that's over there. I'll show you guys real quick. This is for the truck. Still got to pour it apart, and that's the truck, the 88 Dodge W250 that we're repainting. And hopefully we can get this engine put together by the time we're done painting it. Well, we're going to be unboxing this today just to see what it looks like and what we got in the box. Hopefully we don't destroy stuff too bad. But let me get this part open and I'll be right back because this might be a little bit hard. Okay. Alright guys, so I guess these are the pistons. That's what that looks like. What we got here. Don't know what's in this one yet. We'll open it up.
It's the mystery.
Connecting rods. This is the crank, the big one down here, if you guys can see that, is the crankshaft. This is something light, so it's probably the rings or the bearings or something. Same with this one. And obviously the crankshaft's down here, which we'll unbox that one last because that's the heaviest. So let's see what's inside these little ones. Nothing. I guess it was maybe to take up space. Nothing. Hopefully it was just to take up space. That's a little embarrassing. Let's see what's in the connecting rods one. Okay, so you got everything that you need to know, information about them right there. We're just gonna open one of them just to see what it looks like. No reason to open all 8 of them. That's what that looks like. Scat 6123. This is a 4-way stroker kit. So far so good. What do you think, Travis?
Yeah.
It gives you a bunch of information up here. Before you use any Scat products, please read the following, and you gotta read all that stuff. I'll show you guys in case you guys want to pause the video and read that. If that's what that says. That's the paper they gave with it. Pretty nice. So that's the rods. Let's see what's in this bad boy. This is all the bearings and everything. Total seals for something. We'll open all this real quick and then I'll show you guys what we got in these boxes. So the only thing I don't like about the kit so far is how they package these. They're just kind of laying in there like that. But other than that, everything else is good. This is the rings. We got a sticker for those. We got a sticker for the pistons. But we didn't get no Scat sticker, so I'm pretty disappointed about that too, to be honest. No, but I would like one, to be honest. These are the pistons. Ion, or however you say that. These are the rods, like I showed you already. The rings, total seal. The bearings are over here. And then I think these, I forgot what you call these, but these are these. My razor blade. These are for the pistons, and then over here we got the crank. So get all this stuff up to the machine shop, and then we're gonna get this freaking engine put together. But first we gotta pull that engine apart. So look forward to that video. I'll make a video of me pulling that apart. What do you think so far, Travis? Update on the truck too while we filming this. Got this door pretty much sanded. It's ready to I'm gonna get some of that Rust-Oleum stuff on this rust pitting and try to stop it from rusting again. And then we're gonna fix the dents on it and get this ready for primer. Block sand that, and then hopefully we can paint it soon. And then I gotta work on the other door and the inside of the cab. So those are the next things getting painted, the inside of the cab and the 2 doors, and then we'll paint the whole cab. Last thing to get painted, like I've said before, is the bed, which that still needs some work done to it, like body work wise and stuff. There's fill on it, and there's some filler holes, like the little holes you get sometimes in there. So I gotta fix all that, and there's some dents still. But yeah, I got a plasma cutter too. I'm gonna be making a video of that at some point in time. It's a cheap plasma cutter. We're gonna try to chop this old bed up with it, get rid of that, start making some more room in the garage. Put this new workbench in here that a good buddy of mine got me. Pretty pumped about that. We're gonna be using that a lot. Already got my vise bolted to it, the toolboxes, and we got more storage now in the bench. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. There'll be plenty of more videos to come soon. Let's get this truck done. I can't wait to see it all painted and running again. It's gonna be running better than ever, hopefully, if we don't mess nothing up. Fingers crossed. Let's get it. See you guys for the next one.